morning from the beaches here in Phuket, Thailand. So we're here for a few days enjoying a lovely romantic beach vacation.
Yeah, it's kind of something we don't do very often, where we just chill at a resort and relax on the beach. But I mean, what better place to do it than Thailand?
So this is Bangtao Beach. It's on the western side of Phuket, and this is our resort that we are staying at. It is the Best Western Premier Bangtao Beach Resort and Spa, and we're gonna give you guys a little bit of a resort tour because it's a resort and we're gonna be spending a lot of time here. So let's go take a tour of it. We got pool number 1 and pool number 2 with a swim up bar, which I'll be taking full advantage of later today. And last but not least, our room. So we are just chilling by the pool, chillaxing by the pool. I'm making up words here. These are not real words. Poolax. I found the snack menu. Ooh, they have a pizza, vegetarian pizza.
What are you getting?
Deep fried veggie spring rolls.
Did it do anything?
It lit up. I mean,
I didn't see it.
look.
Oh yeah.
And now I've definitely pressed that button twice. We're those people. So I'm gonna head to the bar and grab us a couple of drinks. Surprise you. Okay.
Oh, is this what you got me?
You said surprise me.
This is a good surprise.
You like that one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, spring rolls have arrived. Which sauce should I do?
Sweet chili.
Sweet chili? Okay. Let's do some sweet chili.
It's sweet, whatever it is.
It's very sweet. I could definitely have more of those spring rolls. We should have ordered 2 of those. I mean, we could still order 2 of those. 1 hour beachside foot massage? Yes. You know what they say, Matt? The couple that massages together
Stays together?
okay.
Or is just really comfortable together?
This totally counts as a couple's massage, right? Couple's feet massage.
Just a little ticklish.
Ooh. It's a weird sensation. Oh man, my feet feel so good.
I second that.
It's almost a shame we have to walk on them again. So there's like a whole bunch of shops right outside the hotel, and we decided to get some ice cream.
Oreo ice cream? This is so good.
Alright.
Want me to open this for you?
Goose?
Kim Hen?
No, star gooseberry with the chili sauce. I saw chili salt sauce and I was like, what? In an ice cream? Good morning, guys. It's currently 5:56 a.m. And yesterday we thought this was a great idea. So we just booked ourselves a lovely tour here at the hotel of, where we going, Matt?
The James Bond Island.
That's romantic,
and
right?
Panga Bay.
Panga Bay. It's like a national park.
Yeah.
It's like a really pretty bay with so much for relaxing. It's okay. I mean, we can relax on the boat.
Yeah.
The reason we're up so early is because we were hoping to get a sunrise, early morning, beat the crowds tour. That is the goal, and have pretty light for photos. The first island that we're actually exploring is full of caves, a bunch of limestone caves. So we're kind of doing just like a 30-minute, 30-minute walkthrough to check out some of the stalactites and stalagmites and some of the cave formations. So this cave actually has a lot of history in it. Fishermen used to shelter themselves here in monsoons, and I think it was formed during the last ice age.
So what's this one called?
The ice cream. It looks like ice cream. That's why it's called that. This is what we came here to see. James Bond Island. This island, it's not actually called James Bond Island, but everyone just calls it James Bond Island because it was featured in Man with the Golden Gun. It's a James Bond movie. And what was the other James Bond movie? It was like...
It was also, apparently was also in Tomorrow Never Dies and Good Morning Vietnam, which isn't a James Bond movie.
That's not a James Bond movie.
I think the tour guide mentioned that.
But yeah, anyways, guys, the lighting is beautiful right now. It looks gorgeous.
Nobody's here.
Nobody's here. Tour success. Like, it's literally, this is just our group. That's it. It is only our group. The shops aren't open, and so it was worth it. 5 a.m. call, worth it.
If you're gonna come to Panga Bay, do the sunrise tour.
Yeah. As you hike up, the view just gets better and better and higher because you're, well, hiking up. But yes, actually this whole island, all of the surrounding islands is so pretty right now. So we're doing kind of like a bit of a tour through the town. Apparently there's a floating football field here. Oh my god, sorry, got distracted by a cat. Okay, so right now we are touring through the fishing village of Pangi. It's a village of about 2,000 people that was originally settled by about 2 Indonesian families.
9 people.
9 people, and then they married into Thai fishermen because it's a fishing village.
So the first family got here and they put a flag way up on the mountain to alert their friends, who are the second family, as to which island they landed on and where to come, and that's why they call it Flag Island.
We're now touring the school, where there's actually a floating football field, because a lot of these houses are like floating houses. They're built on the water, including the school. I'd like to say we're kayaking right now, but
we're not doing anything.
We're not doing anything. I thought we were going to be kayaking. I actually genuinely thought that we would be kayaking. But what's your name?
Jadif. Jadif is paddling for us.
Yeah. We're not being very big contributors to this team right now. I'm just going to put it out there.
Not at all.
Not at all.
We're just dead weight at this point.
Literally just dead weight at this point. We're now going under or through. Would you say through or
through?
Through.
I guess under works as well.
It's a bit of both. Thunder? It's like through and under. Oh my gosh, guys, look at the most adorable photo our guide just took. It's so cute. It's us through this little Hartley. Oh my goodness.
We got the best guide for sure.
The best guide. This is so pretty. You just weave, he just literally weaves this from twigs on the, I was gonna say floor, but it's not a floor. It is the last stop of the day, the last island. This is Rang Yao, and it is the swimming island, the beach island, if you cannot already tell, because it has beautiful white sand and turquoisey blue water. I hope you guys have enjoyed island hopping with us today, and we'll be heading back to Phuket tonight. It's only literally 10 minutes away. Like, actually I don't know which direction, but it's a 10-minute speedboat away. Alright guys, so this afternoon it is beach time. We've got ourselves some lovely loungers right at the beach. We worked out in the gym, I did yoga, there's even like aqua bikes, there's a lot of stuff. We can also like rent like kayaks and paddle boards to go out and do even more physical activity. What I'm getting at is that there is a lot of different activities to do here at the resort, at this Best Western Premier property, and at any of the other 4,200 Best Western properties worldwide. I mean, take a look at this view. I did have decent looking hair at some point. It's actually kind of crazy how warm this water is. It's really nice. So this is my outfit for tonight, where we're gonna go do some photos along the beach, and then we're gonna have a lovely sunset dinner. Can you be cold-hearted when you get that? So we're eating at Seaside Seafood Kitchen. It is one of the on-site restaurants here at the Best Western Premier. And I predict seafood in our future. Well, not in my future, in Matt's future. I feel like we don't really know how to do this romance thing. We're working on it. We've got a sunset. You know, that counts. What do you think, Matt? Pretty romantic?
Pretty romantic. Thank you very much.
Food looks like a masterpiece.
Okay, so I got a pineapple stuffed with fried rice, seafood, and then topped with cashews and egg julienne.
So I got a Thai green vegetable curry. There is a lot of vegetables. There's mushrooms, some carrots, some cabbage, potatoes, and some rice to go on the side. So, very Thailand. So good. I'm gonna eat this all.